Yes, good morning, my dear students. Now, this is your study time and this is your science online class. I Vivek, your science teacher, comes again with some new topics in chapter number 5. In chapter number 5, today we have discussed on some topics, that is the neutralization reaction, some neutral substances, salts and their basic properties, and at the last of the chapter, that is terms at the glance. Okay students, now let's start with the first topic, that is neutralization reaction. Student, as far as we will discuss on the acids and bases and their physical and their chemical properties. Now on that case, when the acid and base are combined, they forms neutralization reaction. In that they neutral the substances. When they neutralize the substances, they forms salts and water. Some neutral substances, that they are always in a neutral form, that is they neither be base or neither be acid. That is in solids, that is sugar, salt, glass, marble. These are in the solid shape and they are neutral in nature. And in another liquids, that pure water is a neutral in nature. Alcohol, kerosene, petrol. Then in the case of gas, then it is air. Now student, we talk about the neutralization in everyday life. Everyday life में हम जो डे टू डे लाइफ में न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शंस का यूज करते हैं, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन का यूजेस रहता है, उसके बारे में समझते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्यूरिंग एसिडिटी इन स्टोमच व्हेन देयर इज indigestion, when there is more acidic components, then the use of base, the neutralization of indigestion food components occurs. Second is preventing tooth decay. In tooth decay, when there is acidic, then the toothpaste is a base, then it is relieved from the preventing tooth decay. Third is prevention of milk in a short period, neutralization of insect sting and the insect bite. These are the day-to-day life neutralization reaction. First, then after that we talk of the salt. Salt is formed by the reaction between the base and acid. अभी हमने पीछे देखा कि एसिड और बेस का जब रिएक्शन हुआ तो वहां पे सॉल्ट एंड वाटर बना, तो दैट इज सॉल्ट. सोडियम क्लोराइड, दैट इज कॉमन टेबल सॉल्ट जो हम लोग डे टू डे लाइफ घर में यूज करते हैं, दैट इज सोडियम क्लोराइड. देन ये फॉर्म कैसे होगा? दैट इज फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन द सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड जो बेस होता है एंड द रिएक्शन बिटवीन हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, दैट इज एसिड. Okay student, the properties of salt is that it is solubility in water. जितना भी salt है वो सभी soluble हो जाएंगे water में. Salts remain in the form of crystal form में, always they are in the crystal forms. Now student, at the end of the chapter there are the terms at a glance. Let's discuss on the terms at a glance. Now students, first of all, that is acid हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे समझ लिया. acid, that is which is sour in taste and turn blue litmus to red. And second is base, substances which is bitter in taste and the red litmus से blue कर देगा, that is base. Organic acid की बात करेंगे तो acids which comes from plants or animals, that is जो नेचुरली आएंगे, that is organic acid. Minerals की बात करेंगे, acid जो प्रिपेयर करेंगे from mineral से. Neutral, and another is neutral substances which are either acidic nor basic. कोई ना तो acid होगा ना तो basic होगा, that's it. Neutral substances. Neutralization reaction क्या होगा? When acid or base are react in which either, then the neutralization reactions occurs. In that salt and water is produced. Then hydrated salt, it is the crystal of salt that has water of crystallization. And the anhydrous salt, it is dry water free salt powder in the form of powder. Okay students, the notes of the chapter 5 is completed. Now we will start the exercise of chapter number 5 on next day. students. So read the chapter carefully. Have a nice day.